The launch of the cashless system, mode of payment, will help the company to make sure that it only pays genuine claims. It will also help the transporters, the operators, to ensure that they take data of all the passengers who are boarding their vehicles, which make it easier for identification when an accident occurs.
The year 2023, we paid 3.3 billion worth of claims. Out of the 3.3 billion that we paid, a good percent, roughly 30% of those claims are not genuine claims. We have no business to pay those claims. Going by the industry, and you guys know the industry very well, if the situation persists, I don't think there will be any insurance company that will be able to underwrite PSV.
Na pia kwa abiria, mara kwa mara wengi wetu tumetumia matatu. Tunajua kwamba watu wakiwa kwenye gari ama kwenye usafiri huwa na wasiwasi wakati wanalipa kwa sababu ya nauli. Wakipeana pesa, makanga ameshuka gari, anaondoka, unashinda ukifuata, utaki kushukia njiani, haujui kama atapotea na pesa zako. Kwa hivyo itakuwa rahisi